Okay, so this is a quick video demonstrating how to set the IrisControl app on your Garmin chart plotter. The process is pretty similar with Simrad, but I'll do a separate video with that. And Ray Marine and Fruno are also similar, but they're slightly different. The way the app is displayed is slightly different. But fundamentally, the app is designed to be viewed in a combination view, so you can view your video in one portion of the screen, depending on what chart plotter you've got and how it displays video, and then the IrisControl app in another portion. And essentially, by viewing those together in a combo view, then you've got access to all your IrisControl features, and you can view your cameras at the same time, and it works really, really well. What we do find is people plug the CMAC system into their in this case into their Garmin network, and they'll see the icon, the IrisControl icon will come up, so, and they'll press the button and they'll look at that and they'll think, hang on a minute, that's pretty ugly, and also how do I see my cameras? But that's not how it's designed to work. So if I come back to the home screen, I'll show you. I'll go through the setup. So just to show you, if you hit your combo button, it works best in Garmin and with Simrad as a horizontal split, and we've got one set up here. So go to the IrisControl app there and hit that, and what you see here is a split combo view with the live camera feeds on the top and the IrisControl app here. And you can obviously select your camera controls, go back into camera select mode, scroll through your deck plans, etc, etc. But I'll quickly go through before I show you how that's set up. Just one thing to bear in mind: this is a new Garmin 9000 series chart plotter. When they moved to the 9000 series, Garmin took out the ability to be able to stretch the video, so the video appears with some black borders on either side. That's actually an aspect of how Garmin display their HDMI inputs, rather than anything to do with the CMAC. But if we come back out, I'll show you how to set up a combo. So if this is the starting point, you've connected CMAC to your Garmin network, and the first thing you'll see is the IrisControl OneHelm app there. We've got it on the home screen here, but you might find it on your OneHelm page. But you then got to set up a combo view. So go into combos here, and then we go to add combo. So if I select add combo, then there's your Garmin add combo screen. So as I said before, it works best with Garmin, we find, as a horizontal split. So we change the layout to horizontal, which is that one. And if you want, you can label it and give it a name, IrisControl, etc., whatever you want to call it. You could call it camera control or whatever. So that's done. Then you then press done, and there's your combo. Now you then resize the split. Again, with the 9000 series, you can resize it how you like. With the 8000 series, which is what the app was originally designed for, you would simply pull the resize bar right down as far as it went, and it worked out a really nice ratio between camera controls and the video view. When Garmin migrated to the 9000 series, they made resizing and scaling much more flexible, so you've got a lot more possibilities when you want to resize things on your screen. There's still a limit. In fact, that's the lower limit there, but we find that's just a little bit too low. So the general rule of thumb, the app really works best with over about a third of the screen. So 1/3 is the app, and then 2/3 for the video. Once you've done that, you need to basically configure that combination view. So you can see here, we tap to add here, and the top portion of the screen, that's going to be our video display. So we select video, we're going in on the HDMI feed, so we select that, and that's done. That's all there is to it. And then on the lower portion, we tap to add, and we're adding a OneHelm app, so we tap that, and there's Iris CCTV. So if you've got other OneHelm things here, you'll be able to pick from a list, but because our CMAC system is the only thing that's currently configured, then you select that, and that's it. That's all there is to it. You press done, and now you've got your system configured. So come back out again when you want to view. Again, with the Garmin 9000 series, you can configure your home screen to have your links to your favorite combos and apps and things on there. So we'll go into combo view. We'll select the combo we've just seen, which is IrisControl. That's the one we've just set up. And there you go. And from here, select your cameras, select split screen view, etc. We can select from a list, but there's going to be separate videos on how to set all those up and how to go through those. But that's how easy it is to set up your Garmin to display iris control and your camera views.